Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. I want to talk about three things today in this video. I want to look at a few cryptos from the crypto bubble. I have my second article. Are we about to see a God candle? And the third one is, how many people around Trump are invested in crypto and how much crypto does each individual have? I have those three articles coming to you here in just a minute after this disclaimer. My disclaimer is I am not a financial advisor. None of this is to be taken with financial advice, and I am not responsible for any losses or gains that you may experience. Okay, with that out of the way, I just want to say we're seeing a lot of red in the crypto bubbles. Let's go to the big crypto bubble. Let's go to Bitcoin. It's right there at the top. Let's go to the month. Let's go to the month. Of course, 107, 108 was the high. Of course, right now we're seeing about $104,000 Bitcoin. We're going to touch on that here in a few minutes. Bitcoin in the first article. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum right now is about $3,258 at the time of this recording, and it is, well, you can see it's about 4:48 p.m. So I believe we can see some growth. Let's go to XRP. XRP is about 318. Well, it looked like it got up to about 326 today, so I must have missed that during the day. So 318, yeah, we can, that's a good price. Hopefully we continue to climb. Let's stay in the green. I want to stay in the green, and I want you to stay in the green as well. Let's go look at H-bar, another one I'm invested in. Of course, it's 32 cents. I'm in the red on H-bar here. I've got it at about 36 cents. When it was up around 36, I thought it was going to keep going, and I wanted to get in on some H-bar. I had to sign up for another app in order to buy H-bar. The app that I use primarily doesn't have H-bar, so that's why I kind of got into that. Let's look at old Trump here. We're taking a beating today. I'm not invested in Trump. Like I said in my past videos, I probably will not touch this. I may, if I do it, it'll just be for the giggles of it, and I'll just buy $1 of Trump, and that way I can say I own Trump. So it would just be for a laugh and for the joke that I just told. I own Trump. But you can see Trump is down 14%. Melania is unless I'm just overlooking her, she's no longer on the bubble. Did they do away with Melania? PayPay, I just bought some of PayPay today. I bought about $20 worth. I can't remember exactly how many coins I got. It was around 1 million coins that I got when it hit $15. Brought my average down a little bit. That's what we're after. We're after low averages. Of course, in baseball, in the sport of baseball, if your batting average is high, you're a Hall of Famer. Well, getting a high average, buying in a high average in the investment deal, you don't want that. because you're going to, of course, you're going to lose money if you invest when things are high. But let's get to the first article today. The first thing I hinted was is Dogecoin going downwards, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Doge, real downwards, but traders hint at a Bitcoin God candle loading. So, according to this, there's going to be some maybe some money to be made. Let's look at the article. Cryptocurrency markets are trading lower on Wednesday, and you could see all the red when we went to the crypto bubbles. Of course, Wednesday, as investors await Donald Trump's executive orders on crypto and his announcement regarding a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Now, here's the thing about him signing executive order. It can be later today. I doubt today. It could be tomorrow. It could be next week or the week after. But I really think they need to really evaluate, come up with a very strategic plan if they sign an executive order. In my video I did yesterday, of course, I said I'd rather to see it go through Congress, because if it goes through Congress, it is law. And the next president, if he's anti-crypto, he can't come in and erase it with a strike of a pen. So I want something that's going to be set in stone. Something that's going to last if they're going to do this. Of course, the statistics, if you're a stat person, into the block data shows large transactions volumes decreasing by 9.6% on the daily active address, up by 1.95%. Transactions greater than $100,000 are down from 16,000 to 13,000 in a single day. Of course, I'm just going to give you estimates. I'm not going to read all the numbers. I'll round up or round down as I read numbers. Exchanges net flows are down by 307%. CoinGlass data reports 88,500 traders were liquidated in the past 24 hours for $161 million. Arcam intelligence data shows BlackRock purchased $600 million of Bitcoin, marking its third largest purchase this year. See, I thought BlackRock earlier in the year, they sold a bunch of Bitcoin. So some flags going up there. What's BlackRock up to? They just don't sell and then rebuy without knowing something's in the works. Of course, now trader notes crypto trader Flo Horse emphasized that BlackRock itself hasn't purchased Bitcoin. Its clients did through the ETF. There we go. Its clients purchased the ETF or through an ETF. So there's some movement through some big people here. What I want to do, I want to scroll down here to the bottom. Credible Crypto clarified that his high time frame BTC charts illustrated market structure rather than precise timing or price levels. He identified two key support zones. The current level is 88,000 and 95,000. About a week ago, there was a lot of talk that Bitcoin may fall down to 83,000, but if the support is 88, it shouldn't drop below 88. If these fail, Bitcoin could drop to 80,000 or even 70,000. There we go. There's where that 83 could play a part in. But the larger bullish structure remains intact as long as the 58,000 higher low holds. I think we're safe to say that 58,000 is holding. So I don't want to see anything crash. I want people to be able to maintain what they've gained, maintain their wealth. We don't want to see anything like that. So now the third thing that I talked about was, of course, people in Trump's cabinet who owns Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. I want to get down here to where all these names are. Bassinet, he has between 250,000 500,000 in crypto. Howard Lutnick, Secretary of Commerce. I'm going to go through these names and just what they have. Of course, it does not say how much he has, but he says he has a shed load of Bitcoin. Do I own Bitcoin? Of course I do, Lutnick said at the Bitcoin 2024 conference in July. Does Cantor Fitzgerald own Bitcoin? And he said a shed load of Bitcoin. Let's look at Elon. Of course, we know Elon. He's invested in Doge. Of course, Doge, there's 4.5 billion circulation. Tesla owns 1.5 billion of Bitcoin. And then his digital assets is $184 million. That was in September of 2024. So imagine having $184 million to just invest in crypto. Elon, he's a billionaire, of course. He's investing to add billions to his fortune that he already has. So keep that in mind. Ramaswamy, Vivek Ramaswamy, he has about $1 billion in assets. Of course, in June 2023, Ramaswamy held 100,000 to 250,000 of Bitcoin and $15,000 to $50,000 worth of smaller token. And that looks like Ethereum is what he holds. David Sachs, a former PayPal executive, he's the White House artificial intelligence and crypto czar in December. It does not say how much he has. I do not see that, but he did not respond for any comment on how much he has. Steve Witkoff, it does not say how much he has, but of course, World Liberty Financial just purchased a shed load of crypto just yesterday. Eric Donald Jr. and Barron, they all own crypto. J.D. Vance, Vice President of the United States, between $250,000 and $500,000 in Bitcoin. He received $775 million investment from stablecoin firm Tether. Here we go with the lobbying. So Paul Atkins, of course, he's Trump's choice to lead the Security and Exchange Commission, the SEC. Atkins is chief of Potomac Global Partners. See if it states what he has. It does not say what Paul Atkins has, but he's pro crypto. I bet he has just as much as these other guys, 100, 200,000, 500,000, if not millions invested. So, as you can see, it's all pro-Trump. With that being said, could that God candle take place? I believe so. Once they pass executive orders, I think they're not rushing into putting together a screwball deal. I think what they're going to do, they're going to put together a very good executive order that's going to be very long-standing. So that's my take for today. I really think an executive order is going to be passed within the first 100 days. So hopefully you liked the video. If you've liked the video, give it the thumbs up. I hear that when you give it the thumbs up, the price of crypto goes up. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Until next time, everybody, I'll see ya.